How to make a simple, easy, organic banana peel fertilizer for a healthy organic garden. Yes, banana peel. It's free fertilizer and super easy. First step is to chop the banana peel. Fill the jar with water. Add the banana peel into the jar and seal. Okay, let it sit for about 24 hours or about a week before using the fertilizer. Okay guys, as you can see, the water turns to pretty much yellowish color into the water. So you've got 42% of potassium in it. So let's go guys. Let's use our fertilizer on my plants.